Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a look at some holiday mail. I finally got to drop by my P.O. box at the post office and found some happy mail waiting for me. So let's have a look and see the first one. First one is from Gina. Hi Gina. She is also known here on YouTube as Gina Loves to Craft. So if you love haul videos and project shares, make sure to check out her channel. Look at this adorable card. I love that dog and the Christmas theme here. Let me just read this. It says, "Hi sweet Clarissa, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas. Love, Gina Loves to Craft." Thank you so much, Gina. The next one is from a Instagram friend of mine. Her name is Chris. I'll put her Instagram link right here. So she makes the most beautiful and inspiring cards, and take a look at this. Here's a look at this super adorable card. It's a shaker card that Chris made. This happy mail comes all the way from Spain. She's also an expert when it comes to using Copic markers, so if you needed some inspiration, make sure to check out her Instagram. But she's also included this adorable tag with that bunny. I love the wreath, and then there's a cute little chain link here. Love that. And she included this cute little die set with the rainbow, which would be perfect to use. I'm gonna have to try this and see if I can make a cute little card. That will be super fun. This next one is from another talented card maker here on YouTube, Sintang Mayumi. Alma, thanks so much for this beautiful card. I will read this off camera in just a sec, but here is her YouTube channel. So if you'd like to get some card inspiration, coloring inspiration, make sure to check out her channel. But she's also included some fun goodies, and look at this. This will go perfectly with this set here. I'm gonna make a shaker card, and I'm going to send out some of these to you guys. I haven't had a chance to go to the post office to send all my holiday mail because of our stay-home order, but I'm hoping I can go back first week of January to do that. She's also included a picket. It says picket fence stamps here, and these are fun for planning. This is perfect for the new year. Thank you so much. And also more goodies, some Christmas ephemera. I'm still working on the last few pages of my December daily and definitely going to use these. These are so pretty. I love this. How adorable Santa there. That's so cute. And I have one more card. I have a couple more items here, but this one's a mystery card. It has no return address. Let's see who it's from. What a beautiful card. Hope your season's a flurry of fun. How cute. Let me see who it's from. It's from Terry. Terry also has a channel here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Terry. You're super thoughtful. I'm gonna have to email you and get your address. So this is what I got for holiday mail. I have a few more that I'll be sharing. The next one is more from a good friend of mine that lives in San Francisco, and since we were social distancing, couldn't see each other, they did a little curbside gift drop-off. So let me show you what she got me. So next I wanted to share this little holiday curbside drop-off from my friend Kat. Thank you so much. She got me this adorable San Francisco bag, reusable bag, and you know we can always use this. This is perfect. It's big and you can go shopping in it at the grocery. Let me just put this aside and show you what she gave. So here is one that says "Open please." Let's have a look and see. Look at how cute this is. She got me some adorable earbuds with a cute little fox. I love these. Thank you. And then she also included some crafty items and some, let's just pull the first one. She got me this beautiful pack of paper here with the flamingos. It has 4 different, and this will be perfect for spring. She knows I love Hawaii and tropical feel type themes, so this is so pretty. And then she also included another design paper. I'm gonna have to ask her where she got this, I forget now. This one has more of the beach side, again perfect. I still have some traveler's journals from our trips to Hawaii that don't have really complete pages, so I will use this in there for sure. And these are typecasts. She knows that I don't have a Tuesday morning here anymore, so she included some of these stickers, it looks like. They are labels, $1.99, and these are great for planning, so you can put your word stamps on here and then put them on your junk journal or your planner pages or scrapbooking. So I love that. Definitely can use that. She got me this adorable mermaid itsy ritzy little mama baby snack bag, so it's food safe. I'm gonna have to check and see if this is something you can refrigerate, because it feels like, or it's just padded, I don't know, but it's really cute, so we'll definitely use that. And she knows I love hummingbirds. I did get this from Dollar Tree, same print, and I showed it in one of my BB craft projects, but this one has scallop edges. How pretty is that to add to a junk journal? I think that's so cute. She got me a couple of those. And again, she knows I love foxes, so a pair of warm socks. It has cooled off here in California. And she said this was really good, so I want to try it. It's royal milk tea, and I'm excited to try this out. I love tea time. She also gave me some Halloween items, which I don't really have a lot of, but I wanted to show you. Hold on. These are so cool. These are so unique. I've never seen these actually, and these will go great on a Halloween themed journal. Look at these skulls. That is so awesome. And then she included a bunch of these adorable foam stickers. We have the witch's hat, the shoes, some cute adorable little jack-o'-lanterns, and some bats. And my kids and I can definitely make some cool projects during the Halloween season. She also included this 5-step travel kit, and I thought that was really neat. You have 5 different things. There's a cleansing oil, a foaming face wash, toner, avocado sheet, mask, and hydrating cream. That's so cool. So it's 5 in 1. That's really unique. And I have yet to scratch this, so we will have to play this. I want to scratch this with the kids later. And she also included this. I don't have the chipboard. I have the 6x6 paper packs, and these are adorable. I love these. So I love the cake. A great little sweet tooth type theme for paper crafting. So love that. Thank you so much, Kat. And she also included this beautiful vintage looking pendant necklace. So if you see here, there are some foam round pods, and it is something you can use. You can open the locket. If you have some essential oil, you can put a few drops on it and put it on this and wear it. So I thought that was pretty cool. Really love that. So I'm going to definitely use this. So thank you so much, Kat. I have one more item that I got from a mommy friend of mine from our preschool mommy group. We have been friends. This is from my friend Diona. Diona, thank you so much. She sent me this little keepsake holiday ornament. And this basically encapsulates what's happened through this year. It says 2020, we just rolled with it. Then you have all these other things here that says toilet paper shortage, homeschooling, lockdown, mask, essential workers, quarantine, social distancing. So thank you so much. I know we've gone through a lot, but this was such a great way to kind of remember that we are strong and that we can get through it together. So thank you so much, Diona. Hope you guys enjoy this holiday happy mail share and also some wonderful holiday presents from a dear friend of mine, Kat. Thanks so much. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.